environmental journalism and mobile reporting workshop organized by DW Academy gives us a great opportunity to share our know-how with young journalists from Southeast Asia.
The Indo-Pacific is one of the most ecologically threatened regions of the world. Population growth, climate change, and the increasing demand for natural resources have led to environmental problems. Therefore, we are here. We are launching a journalistic workshop. Its aim to support quality, in-depth, and also solution-based environmental reporting.
Environmental protection needs a collective response which could only be achieved while enabling the local journalists from all over the world to bring local stories to the world.
Together, we developed some good materials for environment and mobile journalism training.
Mentoring is actually a two-way street. While mentoring these amazing young journalists from different parts of Bangladesh, I also have learned a lot from them.
In our training, we want to instill more confidence among young journalists to interact more with scientific facts in their own reporting.
We make sure that we are talking about storytelling techniques, what are the issues and challenges that environmental journalists face on every day, including security, including how they should be able to get accountability from institutions, from the governments.
Especially in the age of COVID, you have to do everything online. Your participants, your training and your mentoring and your all processing, it's online. It was a little bit challenge, but I think we managed.